Do-it-yourself Easter welcome signs. Now, I started out with a piece of PVC board, just didn't want it to rot, wanted it to last a long time. I used a little bit of yellow and orange spray paint for the sun and then masked out a circle with some vinyl. And then afterwards, I sprayed the sky with a dark blue and then a light blue, so that when you peeled the vinyl, you exposed the sun. I showed you how to do sun rays on a previous video. I'll put a link on this one. On this video, I'm really going to focus on the Easter aspect of making these welcome signs, so the stickers, etc. I did use some painter's tape, and I painted the bottom green for the grass. So these stickers are window or wall stickers. You get them online, and they come in a variety of different designs. You know, I was able to find Easter bunnies and Easter eggs and even the text that said Happy Easter. These are not permanent stickers, so they are tacky and they will stay in place, but they're not permanent. They would not hold up to the weather. You certainly couldn't put them outdoors for any extended period of time. What we're going to make is a very durable, high gloss welcome sign that's protected from the elements. So you're going to start by laying out whatever design you want onto the painted background. So you can put Easter eggs and Easter bunnies and flowers and, you know, butterflies, anything you want. I ended up making the text, the welcome text, just on a vinyl cutting machine. I have a Silhouette Cameo, but everything else was just window and wall stickers. If the sticker extended past the edge, I just trimmed it off with a razor blade. This is the text I was talking about. I was able to attach this with a transfer sheet, which is just contact paper, clear contact paper. You get down to the local hardware store. That allows you to put on each letter all kind of in one piece so that everything's perfectly aligned. Now here's the kick. We used a resin, or I used a resin from TotalBoat.com called their Maker Epoxy. It's a 1-to-1 mixture. You mix it slowly for about 5 minutes. I poured it on, and then I'm just using a disposable paintbrush, and I'm going to spread that out. You don't want to force that resin because each one of those stickers is not permanently stuck down. You don't want to move any of them. Just very gently move that resin so that it covers the entire board. Then you have to go back over all of that wet resin with a butane torch. That's going to heat up the resin a little bit and allow any bubbles that are kind of trapped in situ to rise to the surface and dissipate. So by taking this process, using that butane torch, 2, 3, maybe 4 times over the first 15 to 20 minutes after you're pouring the resin, it's going to end up with a much clearer, much higher gloss end result. And this is the finished product. Weather resistant, high gloss, beautiful finish, will stand up to being outdoors in the elements. Thank you very much for watching, and check us out on the web.